Well, you know it's COVID, but it's December as well.
Yeah.
And then it just got crazy.
Oh, hello.
What's up? We'll see. We'll see. I'll take it easy. I don't want to hurt too many people's feelings.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, got a group of the boys together and girl, Kate, in our GT350. And we are heading out to a car meet out in Hayward. Should be a really fun time, and maybe we'll get a run with whoever else we'll just catch on the highway, you know. Of course, we are headed out to the streets of Mexico.
Said you're a bitch.
Alright y'all, so a little change of plans. We were going to try to run a GTR. There was a few GTRs there we were going to try to run. They already left, so that didn't work out. So right now we're meeting up with a couple guys from the Pack Car Club. It's another Bay Area car club out here. And we've got a Mustang, looks like a couple Mustangs, and a Camaro that we're gonna run. So me and Justin are gonna run those, and this should be pretty fun. Alright y'all, that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're enjoying the racing content, like this video, smash the subscribe button, and also comment down below and let me know who you want to see me race next. I've got quite a few racing videos already lined up with a brand new Shelby 2020 GT500. That's going to be a really fun video to watch. Guarantee you it's freaking awesome. And then I've got an 850 wheel Vortex supercharged Mustang 5.0 The next 3 videos are actually all Mustangs, and I'm racing Trippy Edwin in the next video, which I should have done a burnout. That's all I'm going to say about it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.